What up, YouTube world? It's Freddie McFreely. I am back. It's been a while. I took a bit of a break for no other reason other than the fact that I am lazy. So I know the last time we talked, I had nothing interesting to say, and that is still the same, so let's eat. Today we got fries, chicken, and a piece of fish, boneless fish. I love fish, but I prefer it to be boneless. Yep, so let's get it going. How's everyone doing out there? I realize with it's ranch and ketchup, so there's gonna be some moments where I look less than flattering. That sounded gross. No, there's a crazy world out there right now. Hope everyone's being safe. I know I am. So I hear this is there's a thing called social distancing now. I just butchered that. I have chicken in my mouth, so social distancing. I call that life. If you hear noises in the back, understand that. Well, I have a house full of insane people. Yeah. So I know that may be a little annoying. I try to keep it as quiet as possible so you guys can just kind of hear me chew. That doesn't happen. Oh man. Woo. I'm sorry, that was gross. So people really don't comment on my videos, so I was gonna say like, oh, put something in the comments and I'll respond to it. So I have nothing. I had no suggestions of what people want to hear me talk about, so that's fine. I wouldn't leave a suggestion for me either. But that's how life is. Oh man. But I'm not, like I said, I don't know when I'll ever have a proper schedule for when I'll be posting and how often I'll be doing these videos. Because it's not something that I'm like super concerned in right now. I freaking love chicken. And that's not because I'm black. I'm actually biracial like Logic. So let's see what's new in my life. Nothing.
I'm not about the corona.
Oh, sorry. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on right now. I don't want to be one of those people that like talk about it and bog everyone's emotions down. So I won't. All I'll say is just do your best to be safe, take care of yourself properly, all that stuff. Just wash your hands and do your part to keep everyone else safe along with yourself. If staying inside is the safest thing to do, stay inside. I know for a lot of people it's not easy to be isolated. It doesn't bother me, but I know for other people, it's probably not the easiest thing in the world. This could be a perfect time to rekindle friendships. Really just get right with yourself, This world can be a really cruel place. a lot of times. It can be a really cruel place. So just, I don't know, man, take this time to just find new reasons to love yourself. You know, because that's important. To just, to love and accept yourself. So that's my advice for everyone out there. Learn to have acceptance for you. And the rest will come to you. I want to give a shout out to my buddy Alex, wherever you're out there, buddy. My buddy Kylie, how you doing? So yeah. Ooh. Alright, it wasn't a lot this time, so I've actually got really close to finishing it. So, I'm not sure, I'm just gonna finish it. There's only a little bit left. So I'll just go to finish this. Oh, man. I think if the videos start to do better, you know, it doesn't take like a month just to reach, 15 or like some views or whatever. I've set the bar very low for myself, so I might start doing if this video gets X amount of views, then I'll do another one. But my fear is it will underperform, and then, well, there goes my career. I will disappear from existence. So I will set the bar super low, and I will say, if this video gets 10 views, whoa, that's a lot, I'll do another one. If it doesn't get 10 views, I enjoyed eating for you. And this was fun. So peace out.